Life doesn't always go as planned. Our children face disappointments, failures, and challenges. How do we help them bounce back? Some small steps we can take. Resilience is learned through experience, not avoidance. Encourage children to see setbacks as opportunities for growth. Share stories of perseverance, both biblical and personal, to inspire hope. May I provide you with a faith anchor, Romans 5, verse 3 to 4. It says, "We also glory in our sufferings, because we know that suffering produces perseverance, perseverance character, and character hope." Teach children that challenges can build strength and faith. A call for action. This week, when your child faces a setback, remind them that God can use it to grow their character. If you'd like more strategies for nurturing resilience, I'd be honored to mentor you on this journey. I wish you a successful and prosperous journey.